Welcome to the video tutorial on how to configure a basic SMS reply system in PageGate. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to configure PageGate to monitor for reply text messages when using cellular hardware. When using cellular hardware to deliver text messages, the people who receive those messages have the option to reply to them. When they reply, their message is delivered back to the cellular device where it waits in memory. PageGate can be configured to check the cellular hardware for reply messages received by these devices and then process them in a number of ways. In the most basic configuration, all reply messages are sent to a specific recipient or group, and that's the configuration we'll be going over in this tutorial. However, reply messages can be fed through the getASCII API for more advanced processing, which allows you to conditionally modify what is done with the replies in some circumstances. Using a filter pack in conjunction with the reply system and the getASCII API allows you to modify any part of the replies being processed, from what the message should say to whom the message should be delivered. It also allows you to implement conditional modifications. For example, if a certain word or key phrase appears in the body of the message, you could have the filter pack completely change who that message is intended to go to or what the message should say. To configure a basic SMS reply system, open the PageGate admin. Next, go to the Connectors section and go into the two-way subsection of whichever connector or connectors are tied to cellular hardware. Check Enable GSMAT Replies. In Reply Carrier, select the carrier you've configured to use your cellular hardware. In Reply Recipient, select the recipient or group who should receive the reply text messages. When finished, click Apply. At this point, PageGate is configured to listen for reply text messages, then retrieve them from the cellular hardware and deliver them to the specified recipient or group. This concludes the video tutorial on how to configure a basic SMS reply processing system with PageGate. For more information, including how to configure the advanced and filtered reply processing systems, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.